Okay, in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you a couple of things you can do to make your web development workflow a little bit easier on yourself. So you'll see there I've got XAMPP running here on the side. I've got a command window, I've got Standard Explorer, and I've got Atom, which is the editor we're going to be using. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is create a simple folder in here. So new folder, and I'm going to call this 3-page site. Okay, nice and simple. And you'll see that that has just automatically popped into Atom here. So to get into that, you just open a folder and just navigate to it. So I'm going to leave it there like that, it's fine. Now, this is currently in my Documents Camtasia web. And one of the issues here is in order to get this to appear in XAMPP, I need this to appear in htdocs, which is elsewhere on my drive. So if I just quickly go down to the bottom here, XAMPP htdocs. So I want it to appear in here so that I can access it from here. Now, what I'm going to do is create a junction for that to happen. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, go into htdocs. So nope, not going to let me. cd backslash. Oh, that's what it is. Sorry. Hit the tab button there, and I get to XAMPP backslash ht backslash. So with the tab button there, and now I'm in htdocs. So if I do a directory there, you can see everything that's in here. Now, there is a function in Windows called a junction. And this is very, very useful. It allows us to basically create a symbolic link back to wherever we want to have it. So in this case, it'll be in, we want a symbolic link to go back to this here. So to do that, we use the command mklink, like so. Now, if you just hit enter at that point, it'll show you what you can do here. So switch there, DHJ, link and target. Now I tend to use a directory junction here. It tends to work the best. So you can see there the command is mklink, in the switch, link, name, and then the target. So first of all, I'll just go mklink, use the junction switch. I'm going to call this 3-page site vid, and then what I have to do is specify its location. So C:/ users / me. Yeah, that's me. Where are we going? Documents. Sorry, it's falling off here, so I'm just going to extend that out a bit. Documents / Camtasia Studio / web. This is obviously making a lot of sense. And finally, 3-page site. So when I hit this, it should hopefully create the junction. So hit enter there. So junction created for 3-page site vid, and just shows that it's bilateral communication there. And it's actually pointing to this directory here. So anything I create in this 3-page site will pop in here. So if I do a quick directory listing in here now, you'll see that I have a new directory in here somewhere. There we go, junction, that's another junction, that's GitHub, and there it is, 3-page site. You can also view these things on your normal Explorer just by going to your disk, where's XAMPP, htdocs, and there's my 3-page site vid there. So if I click into this, it brings me back. Well, there's nothing in there at the moment, but it'll take me to this location here. So that's the first thing that's worth setting up. And just to prove a point here, what I'm going to do is very quickly create a new file in there. So, whoops, did that too quick. New file. I'm going to call this index.html. Putting some HTML here. Title. Control S to save that. And with a bit of luck, I should be able to go localhost 3-page site vid. Hit enter. And you'll see hello vid popping in there from the title. And if you don't believe me, I'll just put in a H1 in there as well. This is a page. Control S that to save it, refresh it, and there we go. So this has actually been created in here, in my documents and all the rest, and it's automatically getting copied over to the htdocs via that junction. So if I go back into here and have a quick look, XAMPP, htdocs, 3-page site vid, there's index.html again. So it's completely transparent, and this is very useful for using GitHub or anything like that. All right, so that's the first thing to do. Now the next thing we're going to do is set up Atom for our web development. So we're going to use Emmet for this, and in order to install Emmet on Atom, we go to our file menu here, click Settings, and under Packages here, we want to have a look at our what's available. Just took a second to refresh. I'm going to do a quick search for Emmet, E-M-M-E-T, and hit enter. That's not installed. Let's see. So we'll go to the install button instead, maybe. E-M-M-E-T. And let's see. So it's searching for Emmet. There it is, Emmet, the essential tool for web developers, and you click on the install button there and it'll go to work. So it'll take a little bit of time for that to download and install, but from here on in, you're going to see these videos will have that on it. All right, thank you for watching.